Hello, guys. This is our contribution to the Stellar Hackathons, the Stellar CK Hackathon. The project's name is Zikuani. So Zikuani basically it's a system that allows you to validate your identity by using zero knowledge proofs. It also allows you to select some stellar address, and it will allow you to prove that this stellar address is not included in some blacklist of uh, banned addresses, for example, the opaque list. And all of that is going to be done in a very privacy preserving way. Uh, so the proofs are going to be generated by some Zircon circuits, and the verification is done with some Stellar smart contracts. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet. So I have selected this address starting with GD7. And then I'm going to select this Prima Digital, which is e electronic signature card that's for Costa Rica. So I'm going to select Costa Rica. This is the card that contains the identity data, and I'm going to give it continue. Then it will open a desktop application that will extract. It's basically a wallet, so you have to check that the address is the correct one. It's like the user, and then you have to give a PIN for the identity card. So it will show some information, but only locally, only for me. So this is myself. It will show some information about myself, but it is not going to send it to the application. It is just shown in my device. Then it will extract that identity information from the card, and it will create a zero knowledge proof using Zircon, but all the sensitive information will stay locally in my computer. And also the website will generate the CK proof for the addresses that is not included in a blacklist, for example, the OFAC. And then, okay, the identity validation was successful, so let's give it okay. So now the website will connect to the smart contracts, sending the proofs, the identity CK proof, and also the OFAC address proof. And then it will tell me, okay, so your identity is authenticated and the proof was verified on Stellar in the moment on testnet. So let's go back for a second and then try to use a different address for the same identity. It shouldn't work because you can only associate one identity for one single address in this case. So let's try it. So I will change the address that I am going to use. And now it's another one that starts with GA. And again, I will do the same process again. Open the desktop application, which is going to generate again some CK proofs. So again, I just give okay to everything. It will again extract the identity information from the e-signature card that contains my identity data, but it will remain in the device. The only thing that is going to be sent to the application is this CK proof. So let's just wait a little bit. And then it says the identity validation was successful. And let's see if the smart contracts accepts that new proof. And as I said, the proof is rejected. And in this case, it says this identity is already linked to a different wallet address. So that's why it gives me an error. And then I going to try something different. I'm going to use an address which is registered in a blacklist of ban addresses. So just go to the application. I will switch the identities to just to don't have the same error here. I will use another identity card. And then I will select that address. And now this new address start with GC. So let's again select this signature card from Costa Rica. Then open the application. Let's give the PIN. It shows again some different information from the one before, and it will just generate another CK proof from that identity, and then it will generate a new CK proof from this address that should be banned because it's included in this fact list. So okay, the identity validation was successful. So this time the proof is rejected again, and this says that this wallet address appears in the OFAC sanction list. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.